Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are gonna discuss about multi-lane free flow MLFF tolling system. So let's start without further ado. The National Highway Authority of India NHAI has directed FASTag issuing banks to verify and validate vehicle registration numbers VRNs linked to FASTags. This follows complaints of mismatches between scanned and actual license plates. Banks have been asked to blacklist incorrect or invalid FASTags. The move is crucial for the rollout of the multi-lane free-flow MLFF tolling system, which requires accurate VRN mapping for seamless high-speed toll collection without stopping at plazas. Multi-lane free-flow MLFF tolling. Multi-lane free-flow MLFF tolling is a barrier-less electronic system that allows vehicles to pay tolls at highway speeds 100 plus km per hour without stopping or slowing down. It uses overhead gantries with RFID readers, ANPR cameras and GNSS to automatically identify vehicles and detect charges via FASTag. Advantages of MLFF tolling. Seamless and faster toll collection. The MLFF system enables vehicles to pass through toll points without stopping or slowing down, unlike the current system that requires halt at toll plazas. This significantly improves traffic flow and reduces congestion, especially on busy highways. Improved efficiency for commuters and transporters. By eliminating manual checks and physical barriers, MLFF ensures quicker transit for both private and commercial vehicles, saving time and fuel while enhancing overall travel efficiency. How MLFF works. MLFF relies on radio frequency identification RFID readers linked to FASTags, automatic number plate recognition ANPR cameras. These systems capture vehicle details and deduct tolls automatically without human intervention. Unlike traditional toll plazas, MLFF operates without boom barriers, making toll collection fully automated and continuous. Challenges and importance of accurate data. Risk of revenue leakage. Without human verification, mismatches between FASTag data and vehicle registration numbers VRNs can allow vehicles to pass without paying tolls. Dependence on verified vehicle data. Effective enforcement, such as electronic notices for non-payment, depends on accurate and validated vehicle identification. Legacy issues in FASTag data. Many mismatches arise from older FASTags issued before integration with the Vahan database, when validation relied heavily on manual processes, leading to inconsistencies. Additional measures to strengthen MLFF tolling. To ensure smooth implementation of the MLFF system and prevent misuse, the government has introduced new toll enforcement rules. In cases of unpaid toll, commuters must pay double the fee, but if payment is made within 72 hours, only the original amount is charged. An e-notice system has been introduced detailing vehicle information, location and payable fee. Additionally, a grievance redressal mechanism allows users to challenge notices within 72 hours. If unresolved within 5 days, the toll claim is cancelled. Rollout of MLFF tolling in India. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has awarded tenders for 16 toll plazas to implement the multi-lane free-flow MLFF system. These include key locations across multiple states such as Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. The initiative aims to eliminate queues, reduce congestion, save travel time and improve fuel efficiency and toll collection. First barrier-free toll plaza. The Choriasi Toll Plaza in Gujarat is said to become India's first fully barrier-free toll plaza, marking the beginning of MLFF implementation in the country. The government has already invited bids for an additional 36 toll plazas, indicating a phased expansion of MLFF across the national highway network. Major toll plazas selected include Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Scale of FASTag based tolling. Currently, FASTag enabled tolling on national highways is already substantial. Average daily collection Rs 186 crore. Average daily transaction 1.05 crore financial year 25-26 till December 2025. Conclusion. The phased rollout of MLFF marks a major shift toward fully digital high-speed tolling infrastructure with significant potential to enhance efficiency, reduce congestion and modernize India's highway ecosystem.